This is flowy. Oh God! Oh, that was fun. That was a fun little spot. Ooh. Oh, I can't do skinnies. Neat little area. This is the fun route. I was scared that, you know, because I hadn't been here in so long. I was scared that, because there's the exit for today and this is the entrance for today. It's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturdays this way, and then the opposite that way. So this is the fun way, in my opinion. So let's get to it. This is the Trail TNT. It's pretty flowy. And there is some uphills, so. I didn't charge the battery since the last time I rode. So had a couple bars knocked off starting out, but we should be good because this trail loop is only 3.8 miles. Little chunk up there. Very loamy. Out of all the trails here, this is probably my favorite one. It's not very advanced, no big jumps or nothing like that, but there is some stuff that you can get air on. Right there. Right there. Well, I screwed that one up. Say something. Being on an e-bike, you don't get as wore out on the climbs, but you get more wore out on the downhills. Yep, this is my very first trail system I ever rode. Ouch, got hit in the face with a limb. Whew. Whew. I remember the very first time I ever came here, my very first time ever riding. I had a motocross helmet on, had my GoPro, had an XC hardtail bike, and I thought I was the I love this little area. Swing, swing. Oh, tail strike. Whew. About put my bar on that one. fun little cross-country trail. All I know is this trail used to have a really cool like skinnies line through the woods or through like the trees. It was really sweet. I never was able to do it. I wasn't very good when I started out, but now I wish it was still here. Somebody, I guess they took it down for some reason. I don't know, maybe people got too hurt on it too much. I don't know, but all I know is I really wish it was still here so I could try it. Oh, tight switchback. Tight. I always hated this trail back when I had a normal bike. I hate it. I hated climbing. Now it doesn't bother me. That's why I'm able to do more trails and have more fun on more trails, because the e-bike makes that possible. And I don't care how much you are into fitness, it's still a workout. It's just a more fun workout. Whew, I thought I was gonna pedal strike that rock. Whew, I thought I was gonna pedal strike that one too. Oh, you got to get mad at me. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's probably like, screw you, pal. He's probably hating life right now. Oh, we're doing the advanced features. I got it. Oh yeah. I thought for a second I was coming off. I didn't see my body position, but I was like, oh. Oh, this is new. Oh. Should have went faster off that. So slick. Oh my God, I thought my front tire about came off. I suck at skinnies. Terrified of them, I don't know why. Pretty sure through this area is where, well, I don't know. We're getting close to the part where I was telling you about those skinnies in the tree line or something. Oh, here's where the line, here's where that, you can see it, some of it's over there. They even still have you can see the wood over there. It's all like broke down, it looks burnt. Oh, look at that skinny. Yeah, there's no way I can do that. Sorry, guys. Not even going to try it. All right, guys. A lot of this uphill stuff is going to be cut out, but there's going to be some spots that'll probably flow in. Fun to watch. But just in case you see some splits of the video. tree. This side's also really fun coming down. I just have to come back another day and come down this way on another day, so that's the route. Excuse me.
Hey.
How's it going?
Do you have a pump on you?
I do not. Did you get a flat?
Yeah.
Ew. I have a multi-tool, I just don't have a pump.
It's fine.
I usually carry one on my other bike. Dang. I know that there's a guy that should be coming out of the logarithm down there, of the trail that's across the road right there. He should be coming out in the next few minutes. He might have one.
All right, thanks.
I'd try him. Actually, there's two guys up there that might. So,
Good day. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Hope you get it fixed, man. That sucks. I've been in his shoes. There's nothing really I can do. What? Dude. Oh, God. I have to go. I have to hit this little section. Oh my God. What? Dude. What? I want to do this way. Dude, I don't know. I have to. Do I just do it? Oh my God. It looks like fun. Nah, probably shouldn't. Oh God, I hit a rock. Oh my gosh. These look freaking fun. Especially that last one. It's like it had like a shark fin jump to it. Man. They've been recently built too. Oh well. That looks like a fun little jump too. Dang. Well, sorry guys. Trying not to do too many things that'll keep me in trouble. Oh, dude, I might have been mistaken. I think I might be thinking. I think I might be thinking of this way being the fun way and the other way being not as fun. I don't know. It's been so long, I can't really remember. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Pretty sure. And I'm in. Yeah, this spot being pretty chunky. So I arrived here at the trailhead right at 4. It's 4:39, so I've been riding for 40 minutes. And I'm probably almost done. I can't remember how long logarithm was, whatever that tacked on to 3.8 miles. So I'm going to say at least 5 miles. Ooh. About 40-some minutes, probably close to an hour. You know, what the e-bike does is it makes trails that you thought were boring fun. Because this trail, I never ever thought to come here. I always wanted to go to the downhill parks or places where, you know, there's flow jump lines that didn't have a crazy long hike up. Oh, I'm glad I ducked. That limb about took my helmet off. Oh, I'm pretty sure that was a fun little rock booter. Pretty sure there's like a pump track that's been like not maintained. Oh, dude, there's a deer jumping through the woods over there. Freaked me out. There's a white-tailed deer. I saw all that white on its tail. I looked over and it's running right beside me. Like, not right beside me, but parallel to me. Pretty cool. I'm gonna end this ride. I still have my battery remaining. That's insane considering I rode for the last 3 days actually after work. Well, 2 of the last days after work and didn't charge it. This is flowy. Oh God! Oh, that was fun. That was a fun little spot. This is where that pump track I was talking about is. Yeah, it's ran down though. It's not really a pump track anymore. I don't want this ride to be over. I don't want any ride to ever be over. Because in this day and age, just working all the time and then family plans and errands. And it's just really hard to find time to get out and ride. I know you got to make time, but it's definitely a chore. I just love the way. You all right? All right. Have a good one. He said, "I'll just give off." Oh, he's right here beside the road anyway. Man. I wonder how long it would take me to do Black Forest. We are going to do Black Forest because it's shorter than TNT. I'm pretty much doing the entire Enterprise except for Atlas. Atlas is separate from the. Whoa. Back up. Dude, it's fast. On his acoustic bike. Okay, he'll wear it. He'll wear it. I was just wanting to show you guys TNT, but looks like you got Logarithm and now you're getting Black Forest. That way on Black Forest was freaking easy and fast. Ooh, going high. Oh, back up, got caught on something. Oh, God. Dude, you were hauling butt. Oh, you're on an e-bike too? Yeah. I was like, I was thinking in my head, I was like, that dude's fast for being on an acoustic bike. I was like, holy crap. So I was watching Ebike XC the other day, and on one of his videos, he was saying how he has an e-bike, but he didn't like them on the downhill as much, so he would rather suffer more and enjoy the downhill more. But I'm thinking in my head, I'm like, I would rather not suffer more on the uphill so I can enjoy the downhill on the e-bike, because regardless of it being an e-bike or not, yes, it's not as agile, not as light, it's still a freaking blast on the downhill. There's not that much of a difference to outweigh the killing yourself to where you don't even have the freaking stamina to half put on the downhill. I mean, yeah, maybe once or so, but I want to be able to have fun the entire time. But to each their own, I guess. I love BKXC, he's awesome. Who's y'all's favorite YouTuber? I think my favorite YouTuber is Single Track Sampler. What in the world is going on? That scared the crap out of me. It's behind me. A bunch of sirens. That sounded like, get down, the apocalypse is here. Whew, that was loud. Anyways, I was talking about favorite YouTubers. The reason why I like Single Track Sampler, don't get me wrong, Burn Peak, Seth, he's awesome too. He just don't ride as much. I want to see, I love watching his stuff, don't get me wrong, but Single Track Sampler is, majority of his videos are riding videos. I think I've dipped down below half battery for the first time. It's actually kind of scary. But I'm also in boost mode. And I know I'll get back to the car before it dies. But cool thing about it is if it died, oh! Oh, my pedal hit that root. That didn't feel good. Oh, my taint. I think I'm good. You can always still pedal it like a normal bike. It ain't gonna be pleasant, but you can do it. What? This is incredibly new. What? Why are they not building more stuff like that? Ooh, I like that better. That one was fun. So fun. Oh, there's my car. Hello, Big Orange. Woo! Another ride down, guys. Anyways, I had fun. I hope you guys had fun watching me have fun. Watch me get out, ride, and have a blast. And maybe if you couldn't get out today and you're stuck on the couch and you found it interesting to watch me riding on fun trails and try to make it fun, then that's a thumbs up from me. But what I need is a thumbs up from you guys. Like this video, subscribe. Come on, it doesn't hurt nothing. Subscribe, like it, share it, comment, whatever. Till next time, tread lightly.